Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to cook this awesome looking fruit pepper glazed pluma. It's time to grill. The viewers that watch my videos regularly might have seen all the videos about those special pork cuts like Secreto, Pluma, Presa, etc. And today it's the last part of that season. We're gonna grill some Duroc Pluma and we're gonna make it with a fruit peppered glaze. So for the glaze we're gonna need two special kinds of pepper. So the first one is Andaliman pepper and the second one is Cumeo pepper. You might have seen that in the past. I used this several times in my videos, and both peppers taste like a fruit. For example, like orange, grapefruit, lemon flavor. And that's exactly what we want and what we need. So this is going to be a fruity version. For me, fruit and pork really goes good together. You might have seen the video with the smoked pork roast and the plum sauce. For example, I do this all the time. So next thing you have to add is some fruity rub. This one is also made with me and cooperation with the Spice Bar guys. I will put a link in the video description, you can check it out. This is dried mango with lemon drop chili. So now we're gonna add some mango flavor here. So we have some orange, grapefruit, lemon flavor, and now it's some fruitiness more and some heat with a lemon drop chili inside. And just a small dash of olive oil. And now mix it and we have that interesting looking glaze for later on. So this is the piece of Duroc Pluma from one of my favorite online butcheries, gourmetfleisch.de. I'll put a link into the video description, you can check out the prices. This one has a weight of 650 grams and this has really a nice fat part. So the marbling is very interesting. Only take a paper towel and dry it a little bit, make sure to have it dried completely, and that's the piece we are looking for. So normally there are a lot of cuts that come from the neck and from shoulder, and this is somewhere in between. So just a special way to cut the shoulder and the other part of the back, and then you get the special cuts. So it's more or less inside the Boston, but a special kind of treatment by your butcher. So we're going to take some salt from both sides. We don't cut away any of that fat. We like to grill this and see how it's caramelizing. We have preheated the Broil King Imperial Gas Grill for direct heat today. And I'm going to speed this up a little bit and just show you how the meat goes with direct heat. So this is grilling from all the sides. Total grilling time something about 15 till 20 minutes, so 4 to 5 minutes per side. And now you can get an idea of the color and what I meant with nice caramelizing flavors. So just again that side, and after some minutes you see the other part here is still raw. So we're gonna cut it from the, grill it from the other side as well. So there has been a huge discussion on some of my other videos about pork meat, and I still have the opinion that you don't have to kill your pork twice. If the quality is good, and this one is really high quality pork, you are able to eat it even medium rare, medium, whatever you like. In Germany sometimes we eat raw pork. We call this Met, M-E-T-T, and it's very famous for breakfast. You might have seen that in my past videos. I grilled with that kind of pork meat. Today the goal is the same. We are headed for an internal temperature of 57 till 58 degrees Celsius, and so it's a little bit pink inside. It's not completely rare or like I like my beef, but it's also not completely cooked. So once you're ready with grilling from all sides, you're gonna take this on the right side on the higher part of the grill, and we're gonna close the lid and we're gonna let it rest there. In the meantime it's resting, we're gonna add some of that really great looking fruit pepper glaze, and then we're gonna let it rest some more time until it has the internal temperature that we want. And this has to be done after grilling, because otherwise the pepper and the olive oil would have burned and it leaves a bitterness that we don't want on our meat. So there you go, that's the part of the pluma with some great fruit flavors on top. Then we cut and see how we did. We are headed for some pink looking pork, and that's exactly what we wanted. So it would be really cool if you could subscribe to my channel. There will be the logo coming up now on the left side of the screen. You can click on it, and so you can turn on notification. You won't miss any other videos. There will be a lot of great videos coming up till Christmas, I promise. Make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment. Please subscribe. And yeah, we're seeing us again in the upcoming days. There will be a lot of more coming up. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm out. See you.